welcome back to another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing. So this one is for the March 2021 Stronger Together bag. It says equality, the future is female, and you got this. So, like Sharon Dion and red lipstick and a cat eye, some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. And then there's the info about add-ons on the back, which I do have a couple in this one. So, anyway. Let's actually start with showing off the bag, and then I'll get into the add-ons, and then dive into the bag. So, here's the bag from March. Pretty cool. This little pull tab, though. Like, am I the only one getting serious 90s kid vibes from it? Like, do we remember when these type of little pulls were on literally everything? Like, oh my god, I saw that, I was like, my childhood. Be it friendship bracelets, shoelaces, keychains, like you name it, backpacks, like they all had these little thingies on them that would be like one solid color with flecks of something else. I don't know, like other than just showing it, like I don't know how else to describe it better, but you know damn well the look I'm talking about. So, anyways, so my add-ons that I got are both from a brand called Hero. And I got their Rescue Balm Post-Blemish Recovery Cream, which soothes and restores with panthenol, beta-glucan, and oleopeptides. And it says to cleanse and dry skin, blend Rescue Balm onto the blemish area, and we'll take it from here. Just popped or just patched blemish still noticeable? Use Rescue Balm to push the restorative process into hyperspeed. Formulated with replenishing ingredients, it invisibly melts into skin to relieve the look of temporary redness, dryness, and bumps, so you can bounce back fast. So, obviously I bought that. Just saying! And then this goes with it. And this is the Lightning Wand, which honestly just sounded cool. It's a mini size, though. A Dark Spot Brightening Serum. Zap dark spots with Lightning Wand, a daily rollerball serum that effortlessly brightens post-blemish pigmentation so you can bounce back after a breakout. Squeeze bottle to release formula, glide rollerball directly onto dark spot, apply 2 times per day until dark spot looks brighter. Easy peasy. If it actually works as well as that, these two may become staples in my skincare. If they don't work, then, you know, it was worth a shot. So, alright, so got another brush this month. It's from Farrah. It's rose gold. It's pretty. It is a pressed powder 620F. So, in case anybody is interested in specifics. This brush retails for $14. Meet your pressed and loose powder's new BFF. This pro-quality brush has a unique flat shape that's perfectly designed for pressing powder formulas onto your skin without caking or streaking. Need another reason to love? It's totally vegan, cruelty-free. Tip, wash your brushes weekly to keep germs away, hang them upside down so they dry faster. Okay. Pretty common knowledge. Alright, now into the bag itself. We'll just reach in at random, and whatever order they come out in will be how we do them. Alright, so, guess it was about time I got one of these. This is by the brand Dionys, and it's the Vanilla Bean Goat Milk Hand Cream. Goat milk is kind of Dionys's thing. It's why I've never bought anything from them before, because much like coconut, I am, or at least was, I don't know if I still am, deathly allergic to goat milk. Landed myself in the ER twice with the stuff, but that was when I was about 19. I'm 36 now. Allergies change allegedly like every 7 or so years, so I may be totally fine with it now. I've always been too scared to check, so I guess this is a mildly safer way of testing the waters before trying to eat the stuff again. Well, obviously not this exact thing, but I mean like actual goat milk in something, goat cheese, what have you. But yeah, I mean, I know they do lip balms and stuff too, but I've always been way too scared to try this brand because of that and because of past experience. So this is, I'm gonna tiptoe into it just to see what happens. But it was not pretty the 2 times I ended up in the ER. I was literally crapping blood. You're welcome for that visual. So, you know, as you do. Different allergic reaction than the coconut thing, but my body is an interesting thing, isn't it? But anyway, so this is a travel size, $5 apparently. Dry hands happen, and all the frequent hand washing we've been doing doesn't help. This ultra-nourishing hand cream uses honey and goat milk. It's enriched with essential vitamins and minerals to hydrate and heal rough, cracked skin. P.S. The vanilla scent is so yummy. Tip, apply this cream immediately after washing your hands to prevent excess dryness. Because we don't know how hand cream works, apparently, without Ipsy telling us. Oh, I just noticed the inside of the bag says confidence comes from within. That's cute. Okay, this I'm much more excited about. This is the Chiate London Fruit Burst Hydrating Lip Oil in Mango and Lime Burst. Obviously, this is like a deluxe sample size, but that's okay. That is perfectly okay by me. I'm just happy to have it at all. Full size is $16. Can't decide between a lip balm and a lip gloss? Swipe on this hybrid lip oil and you won't have to. It deeply hydrates thanks to mango seed butter, lime oil, and jojoba oil, and gives lips a glossy sheen that doesn't feel sticky either. Tip, mix with your favorite lipstick to create a shiny sheer stain. Shiny sheer stain. That is a tongue twister. Ooh. But yes, I'm very excited about that one. Next. An actual lip balm. Hey! By a brand called Clearly Balanced. Clearly Balanced Days. It's the lip balm in peppermint. 25 milligrams. Wait! 25 milligrams what? Oh. With CBD. Oh, okay. This retails for $8. Transform dry, chapped lips with this nutrient-rich balm. It's infused with essential oils and 25 milligrams of restorative CBD to leave your lips smooth, hydrated, and 0% sticky. Another reason to love it's got zero solvents, pesticides, heavy metals, or unnecessary filler ingredients. Tip, layer this lip balm under your go-to lipstick for an extra boost of hydration. Because again, as if we've never done that. Yet they totally don't talk about the CBD. I'll let you know how that goes, but I don't think it has THC in it. I don't think. Let's see, does it mention it? It actually doesn't say no THC, so this could be fun to play with. Again, I'll let you know how that one goes. And then finally, we have the Eco-Fabulous Cosmetics Eco-Fabulous Blush in Camellia. So this peachy pink shimmer blush is your go-to for a gorgeous flush day or night. Plus, the packaging is made of post-consumer materials, aka it's Mother Nature approved. Tip, use a fluffy blush brush to swirl it onto the apples of your cheeks and blend. This is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $22. Let's look at it. Because of the tin, I honestly thought this was from the Balm Cosmetics, but it's not. But I mean, it may as well be. It's like that same type of tin. As if there's so many types of tins out there. But so that's actually a really pretty color. I like that. That actually I could probably wear without looking like Bozo the Clown, so always nice. And we've got this little thingy here to be able to pop it out when you're all done with it. Oh, look, it's cardboard that holds it in. Okay, actually, that's really cool, because then when you use up the blush, you can reuse the tin for whatever the hell you want. I like that. I like that a lot. So anyways, that is everything I got in, I was going to say this month, but March's Ipsy Glam bag. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link as always is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye.